What's up guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass. In this video we're going to be discussing the proposed Orange Line extension between Ruggles Station and Mattapan. If you're not already familiar, the Orange Line is a heavy rail rapid transit line here in Boston. Beginning at Oak Grove and Malden, the Orange Line makes stops at Malden Center, Wellington, Assembly, Sullivan Square, Community College, North Station, Haymarket, State, Downtown Crossing, Chinatown, Tufts Medical Center, Back Bay, Mass Ave, Ruggles, Roxbury Crossing, Jackson Square, Stony Brook, Green Street, and Forest Hills. The controversial proposed extension being pushed for by Boston City Councilors would branch off the existing route at Ruggles Station, making new stops at Nubian Square, MLK Boulevard, Grove Hill, Franklin Park Zoo, Harvard Street, Wellington Hill, Walk Hill, and Mattapan Square. The proposed extension of the Orange Line would run completely underground from Ruggles to Mattapan Square. This would be a massive undertaking for the city of Boston, and perhaps we can even compare it to the Big Dig. If the city were to move forward with this transit proposal, it would take more than 2 decades to build, and at a cost of over $10 billion. The proposed extension is being offered as an alternative to a new center bus lane on Blue Hill Ave in Mattapan. As things are currently, the Mattapan and Dorchester areas are covered by the Route 23, 28, and 29 buses, being some of the busiest routes in Boston. At pre-pandemic levels, the Route 28 bus alone saw approximately 12,880 daily riders. As things currently are, the MBTA is already looking at a projected $732 million funding gap for fiscal year 2028, and there is currently no funding for this project.
Safety reminder, if you see something, say something. Call Transit Police at 617-222-1212.
For nearly 4 decades, the residents of Roxbury, Dorchester, and Mattapan have been promised better transit, and I think it's about time we finally make that happen. Aside from the Blue Hill Ave station opening on the Fairmount line in 2019, it seems that the people of Roxbury, Mattapan, and Dorchester have been promised things for many decades, and the MBTA has failed to deliver. But we'll see if this is just another one of those cases, or if this project will actually go somewhere. Although there seems to be a lot of public backlash about this proposed extension, I think it would be a big win for the community, and help our city out in a great way. I think it's also worth mentioning, bringing the Orange Line out to a high density population area like Mattapan makes a lot more sense than extending the Orange Line to somewhere like Needham. It also seems like a lot of people that are opposed to the project have offered their own solutions, including Green Line extensions out to Mattapan, but each of these comes with their own problems. With this being the only proposal I've heard offering an underground solution that would actually help traffic, I think this would be a big win for the city of Boston, and something we should definitely consider. Whether you agree or disagree with the idea of this proposal, I'd love to hear your opinion down in the comments. If you're not in favor of this extension, I'd also love to hear what you think would work best for the city. I think it's important that we all stay open-minded to all transit possibilities. A city with reliable transportation is a city meant to thrive. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up our talk on the Orange Line extension. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.